friends, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you're new.
Hey everybody.
Surprised you're showing your face. Oh dear. Come back to me. He does not like showing his face very often, so I don't often vlog him, but he said hi, so I'm shocked. We have a super busy day today. We have a fun day. We're gonna go see some friends. Yeah. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Erin, if you are new, and we are in Southern California, getting ready to transition to Texas, but we are getting some errands done today. We're at my husband's work right now, dropping some stuff off. We have to get gas. We have to go by and see if we have tires for my husband's car, because he had a blowout the other day, so he's got to replace his tires. Then we gotta go to Camper World. That's a whole other story, or not Camper World, but RV something or other. Our carbon monoxide detector keeps going off every single night like clockwork at like 2 a.m. for whatever reason. The propane is off, we had the air conditioning running, and for some reason almost every single night, pretty much every night, last night it went off like 10 times, so I'm pretty sure that the sensor is like defective or something. So we're gonna go to the RV store and see if we can replace it and see if we can get this thing fixed again. And then we have to go and get tires, like I said, tires for my husband's car and Burger King, and then we're gonna go to a winery and listen to a concert tonight. So that'll be a lot of fun.
Shut the gate and lock it. Huh? Yeah, go over there and shut the gate and lock it.
It's not a concert, it's like a band. We're gonna go see a band at the winery. We're gonna have some glasses of wine.
Sprite?
Yeah, we're gonna have some glasses of Sprite.
Yay.
Yeah, mixed with wine called sangria.
Yeah, that sounds good. I can go for some sangria.
What about me?
So.
Oh, great. Shut the gate too, Grant. We're still inside.
What's he doing?
What a wonky little kid.
See, my name's Grant and I'm goofy.
Flowers make
That's a typical Grant move.
Flowers make me sneeze.
Flowers make you sneeze? Sometimes they do. You're allergic to them sometimes. I don't know what my hair is doing to fix it.
Am I allergic to flowers?
Maybe. Maybe you're allergic to the pollen.
Ooh, if I'm allergic to pollen, then I would die.
No, you won't.
I'm so good at Minecraft.
You're so good at Minecraft?
Yeah.
So anyways, I just thought I would take you guys along, kind of day in the life, and show you what we do on a Saturday afternoon. Show you what we do on a Saturday afternoon. Sorry, my voice kept on going up. So that's what we're doing today, so you guys get to follow along. Yay!
Keep Saturday alive.
Keep Saturday alive. I don't even know what that means. Free brake inspection?
Free brake inspection. Where all they do is they look at them and go, yep, you need new brakes.
Yeah, right? Getting some gas. One thing I'm gonna miss about San Diego is the fact that it is so nice and breezy here. You don't think she can figure it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you with air.
There's two women in front of us getting air in their tires. Tara thinks they need help. Are you videotaping someone?
Ooh.
We almost watched Grant. That back window was open. That window right there was open. Grant almost got a nice little shower on his head. We're getting a car wash, by the way. We've got to be careful because the bed of the truck has these little plastic pieces, and the guy that owned the truck before took the plastic pieces and cut holes into them, I guess to like hook something in it. So the bed of the truck is kind of open in a way. Like, I can show you guys later. Woo, there goes the water. We have raccoon paws all over the truck, so it's pretty comical. But yeah, he put these little square holes in the bed of the truck, so anytime it rains, it gets into the bed of the truck, so anything that's in the bed of the truck gets wet. So we have a bunch of stuff. It smells kind of good. Wash it, wash it, wash it.
I think it smells good in here.
It does smell good. The soap smells good. Good.
That was quick.
pharmacy pickup. We walked the whole store.
Right, you want some pose pads?
Poise.
Pose.
Pose, yeah, pose.
There we go. Amazon locker. Puffin. Hello, my name is Puffin.
Where do you see Amazon locker? Ah. That's so cool.
Alright, everybody. Let mom do this. Okay, his watch is gonna pop open a locker.
Delete.
681555. Just 5s.
Bloop.
Oh my gosh, it's
Happy school year.
Yeah.
What is this? School stuff.
Alright, that's our stuff.
Oh.
That's our stuff.
Yay, we got Amazon stuff.
Alright. Alright, there we go. Thank you, Grant.
Oh, this is so
Alright.
cute.
Someone hold this.
Okay, let's grab this.
All right, so we are now in Temecula. We're at an RV center. My husband has to replace this dude because he's been beeping all night long. This thing is expensive, but it shouldn't be bad, which is the weird thing because it was made January of 2017, but I don't know. Anyways, it's been beeping, so we think it's defective. Not sure what's going on, but if he had to cut the wires last night because it literally went off like 10 times. So we didn't get much sleep, unfortunately.
Can I see that?
But you don't need to play with it. So anyways, we are getting a new part and then we're headed to the winery up in Temecula. Gonna go meet some friends, have some wine, enjoy a concert, not a concert, enjoy a band. And then I think we may go hang out with them at their house. I don't know what my hair is doing. I don't have any volume.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace.
All right, so we're at the winery. It's called Belvino Winery in Temecula. Headed up to go listen to this band. We're waiting on Lauren and Vic and their kids. We're gonna have some wine. are not. She is, yes.
Where's Bella?
She knows, she just asked.
Oh, you're on the stage.
I'm asking her why did cheers. Oh. Erin's first time at a winery, and she's leaving California. Right? But she'll be back. He must have lost a bet. Oh, you almost had it. You stole her shoes? No, she's on. Adorable. Oh, he's running. Get low. Alright guys, so we are done at the winery. Here comes Lauren. She's gonna see me vlogging. Watch this. Alright, we're back in business. Oh, hello. Say hi! Hola! We had to get some pizza. You surprised me.
You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
Alright friends, so I did not finish the vlog last night, but we had a great time. We ended up doing like pizza and some s'mores at Lauren and Vic's house. Thank you guys so much for having us over. The winery was amazing, really, really good wines. We did end up coming home with one that Lauren and Vic gave us, so that was super sweet of them as well. But it is the next day, and I have lots of things to get done, including editing this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, our day in the life. I have some fun projects coming up that I'm getting ready to video for you guys, and we move in about 2 weeks. So we are headed to Grand Prairie, Texas in 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So of course I'm going to vlog all that, but I'm going to end this video for now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.